I'm going to be showing you how to make monster sprites for maplecity. First you need this flash file, which can be found in the description. Right. First you need to go to maplesim.com, go to simulators, Band Story Simulator, let it load. It's best to use thumbnails, don't skip it. Right, first you need to do is add new layer, mob layer. Go to the mobs, pick them out the list, and as long as it's not already been done. Once you have it, file, save sprite sheet, save, put it on your desktop. It makes it a lot easier to find. Once it's saved, you can go to your desktop, extract it, open it up. You should see loads of images. What you have to do now is open a sprite set. This is the default sprite. You don't need these PNG files. Keep these safe in a different folder. Open up monster name. At the timeline you'll see labels. This shows you where the sprites will go. Right, first you need to do is import to library. When it loads, go to desktop, a sprite sheet, image, select all the images, open. Then what you need to do is to delete all the symbols. Right, now you have to the stand animation, which is pretty easy to do. Each frame has to be two frames each. Right, then you go to the stand, they're all numbered, so it's really simple to follow. Place it down, make sure it fits in, then make another couple of frames, add a keyframe, delete that. Use onion skinning, which makes it easier to use. Match up with the other box. Add another frame. Another stand. And this is the whole process of making a sprite. It's really easy, so I'll just skip through a bit. Right, that's the first part of it. And you just move the other frames to fit the top frame timeline. see how it's looking so far. As you can see, it stays in one place and it's a working stand animation. Right, the next part you have to do is the walk animation, which is the same as the stand animation. Then the damage animation, which is just one image, which I'll just do a quick example on now. There we go. That's that. When you've done all your frames, save it as the name of your monster. So mine is Fireball. Keep Flash open, you'll need it for the next part. Right, go to Exoot Systems Inc. Go to Maplecity. At the top bar, Monster, create new sprite, version 2 1.0. The walk animation is the number of frames, the frame numbers of your walk animation part. So on mine it is 13 to 18, so you put 13, comma 14, comma 15, comma, and so on. Damage animation is simple. It's just 20 to 21 for me. Right, to get the jump speed, just leave it at that. The walk speed, just leave it at that. The width will be the first frame, well, the first image, and you get that by the properties. And my width is 74 and the height 62, so you put them down. To get the HP, you go to hiddenstreet.net. You go to database, Maple Global. Go to monsters and find your monster. And its HP will be there. Just use that. A good amount of missiles. So about 350 and 220. Attack you get from Hidden Street, which is it's 110. You get the XP from Hidden Street as well, which is 60. Let's go put at 2. The drop items you have to get from, you can find it by opening a new tab. Go to items. If the item's not there, it can always be modified later on. Just get the ones that are there already. So for example, this one goes with it, so you put the drop number 3. And that's it. Then you upload the flash that you did, then submit it. And you can see that's it for this tutorial.